Prime Enertek is a manufacturer specializing in the low emissivity hybrid insulation. Since its founding in 2011, we have endeavored to manufacture high-efficiency insulation materials, and based on our know-how and technologies accumulated, we have developed the low emissivity hybrid insulation prime cell. Utilizing aluminum, Prime Cell is a low emissivity hybrid insulation which blocks the radiation heat by more than 97%. And recently, we have developed, produced, distributed, and sold Prime Cell which has also secured the limited combustibility. Enhancing insulation performance with the most optimized materials and structure for blocking radiant heat through many years of research. Prime Cell has numerous achievements, including performance certification by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport alongside its eco-friendliness, efficiency, and durability. Inclusive of the limited combustible function, the low emissivity hybrid insulation Prime Cell enhances safety against fire. At the time of construction, it has such advantages as the convenience of construction due to the flexible materials, airtight construction enabled, and the maximization of space utilization for its thinness, among others. Furthermore, it has also been certified for eco-friendliness and has the advantage of long-lasting insulation performance for its own moisture-proof effect. At the time of construction, the click method, half-lap joint, unique to Prime Enertek, helps to minimize the widening and stepped pulley to achieve energy savings. Prime Enertek is relentlessly researching with the goal of manufacturing high-efficiency insulation materials. In line with the era of energy savings of a global trend, we will try to grow into a company presenting the vision of insulation together with the low emissivity hybrid insulation Prime Cell.